Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, let's talk about best practices for writing automation script in IBM Maximo asset management software. So let's get started. Okay, first take care of these options. So choose the right launch point first. If it's object or attribute or action and so on. Second, minimize script complexity as much as you can. Then try to avoid costly operations. Also efficient use of variables. Take care of variables when you use them. There is code reusability and organization. Try to reuse your code as much as you can. Test and debug, important. Then document your code, review it carefully to know your script when you come back to it later. Okay, check your performance and monitoring. So let's take every topic from there. First, choose the right launch point. So try to avoid object initialization for bulk operation. It can lead to unnecessary processing. So take care from that. Always attribute initialization events are preferable when applicable. So use attribute initialization and don't use object initialization as much as you can. Okay, so when you deal with the object here, you deal with the whole script, with the whole MBO, sorry. Okay, so that is object initialization and attribute initialization. Okay, try to use attribute if you use a initialize event. Second, I want to talk about minimize script complexity. So for built-in feature or configuration, try to use Maximo built-in features. There is a lot of features related to Maximo. Try to use also crossover domains. It's valuable for value transfers, which is it's preferable when no transformation is needed. If you don't do any calculation or something like this, and you want to transfer value or something from ticket to work order, for example, okay, use crossover. It's preferable here. Use built-in features like MPO, implicit variables, and so on. Try to review script documentation for that. Maybe I leave automation script documentation description. Okay, so avoid costly operations. So try to avoid using the count method to prevent additional database query. Okay, try to use move first and move next when you loop over relationship or something like this between objects. Okay, so try to avoid count here. Use set.not exist to check for record existing more efficiently, like using equal or something like this. So that is related to performance consideration. So try also to minimize database query overheaded as much as you can. Fourth here is efficient use of variables. So efficient use here of input and output variables can lead to launch point variable. It can improve performance of your script. Okay, so take care of input and output variables. Okay. Also, try to reduce number of managed variables. It's also beneficial here. So take care of your variables in your script. Code reusability and organization. Okay, so organize a script logically. Try to use logical structure and naming convention. Okay, such as for naming convention, try for asset.save if you want to save the asset, or update your recorder here to reflect script purpose and enhance readability after that. So try to organize your script and use naming convention. Test and debug. Before to deploying your code, try to test it, debug it. Through testing in development environment, as we know, we have developed, test, and production. Test script thoroughly in a development environment before production. Utilize logging to capture important events without overwhelming log files. Prefer specific loggers related to the script context over generic ones. Try to create logger related to your script. So it's very important here. Document and review your code. So regularly review your code. Try to enhance it. Use the AI if you want to enhance your code and write simple and clean code. Also document scripts here and their functionality. Conduct regular code review to identify potential issue that may slow down your system or something like this. Encourage team member to share insights and improvement during your reviews. Okay, there is also performance monitoring. Suggestments based on feedback and metrics. So post deployment monitoring. Try to monitor script performance and after deployment. Be prepared to make adjustments based on your user feedback and performance metric. Try to be proactive. Performance monitoring help mitigate issues before they impact users. So proactive performance monitoring here is very important also. Okay, so try to adjustments your script based on feedback and metrics. So that's all for best practices for automation script in Maximo. Okay, we could review them quickly. Again, choose the right launch point, minimize script complexity, avoid costly operation, efficient use of variable, code reusability and organization, testing and debugging, documentation and code reviews, performance monitoring. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for your attention here. See you there. Thank you.